Hello everyone! In this tutorial, you will see why creating web forms with DataGate GDP Progress OpenEdge is very easy. The first step is to log in with the Access username and password. On the left-hand panel, you can find an extensive list of components available to be incorporated into the web form. Select, for example, the combo box component and drag it to the space where you want it located. For a better view, you can deactivate the Show Headers option. By elongating or reducing the control, you can define the width you want it to occupy in the web form. Next, let's assign the characteristics of a field selected from the Progress database to this control. To do this, select the connection, table, and desired field. The data such as identifier, field type, length, field caption or label, and help text are retrieved in the Controls Property panel. Move on by selecting another control, in this case, a label to define a title for our form. Define the width and then assign the control's name and add the desired text. Continue with the selection of text and color properties. Note that DataGate GDP allows incorporating text in the different languages defined for the application. The next component we will add to our form is a data grid. Define the width by elongating the control, identifier, and description. Then, click on the column list to indicate the columns desired within the data grid. We will select the columns from the Progress database by clicking Import from OpenEdge. Choose the database, table, and columns you want to retrieve the definition for the data grid control. After clicking Accept, you can edit the properties of the selected columns. The data grid allows sorting, filtering, classifying, activating, and grouping according to the data indicated in its properties. You can close the side panels to have a complete view of the workspace and enable the Show Headers option again to edit the properties of each control at any moment. Click the Save option to save the defined form, indicating the web form identifier. Next, execute the form by clicking on Test and Debug. Check the execution and the properties indicated into the data grid, such as grouping. The form runs and the result is displayed, even if the business layer in OpenEdge is not defined. If the business layer is defined, the form will run that layer, and DataGate GDP will interact with the information existing in the database. In short, the web form created runs whether or not the business logic is defined in OpenEdge. Finally, note that you can define the layout of controls in the form of mobile devices and tablets. We recommend using the Auto Styling option, which will automatically generate the layout of components within the web form following the assigned order or tabulator for the desktop. Thank you very much for reaching this point. We look forward for seeing you in the next video.